How to use GIMP tools. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial is plain simple. GIMP offers a wide range of tools for image manipulation, but here's a quick rundown on how to use some of the basic ones. First of all, let's open the GIMP application. For the navigation tools, we have the Move and the Zoom tool, M and Z. For the Move tool, it's used to move around assets of your image or your whole image. And the Zoom tool, you can just press on Control and scroll up and down on your mouse. We have the selection tools. As for the rectangle, using R to select a rectangle in your image, and the ellipse select tool and the free select tool with F. We have for the editing tools, we have the paintbrush and we have the pencil tool next to the eraser tool. For color tools, we have foreground and background color pickers. So click on the color squares to get your main painting and erasing colors. You can also use the color picker tool, eyedropper icon, to select a color from your image. Layers are like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other, and GIMP offers you the chance to create different layers here in the layers section. For a bonus tip, right-click on any tool icon to see its available options and customize settings like brush size and opacity. This is it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.